guys, it's Melanie, and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. Well, I recently did a poll in my YouTube community as well as on my other social media platforms, i.e. Facebook and IG, and I asked you guys what wedding you would like to see next, and many of you voted for the rose gold and red wedding. Now, with the Christmas season being so close, I decided that I would share with you guys what it looked like. So here is what the venue looked like before. And it was at the Crystal Garden Event Venues in Decatur, Alabama. An absolutely gorgeous venue, very wide open space. So the first thing that I decided to do was to split the space. One half of it was used for the ceremony and the other half of it was used for the wedding reception. So we used the venue chairs for the ceremony. We used all white chair covers, and we just kept everything really clean. And I also used the circle backdrop from eFavor Mart. I will link that down below for you guys who are interested in seeing it, and it just turned out absolutely gorgeous. We used different florals, and on the other side we did the gorgeous wedding reception using the rose gold and red. So I'm going to give you guys a tour of it with some music for your listening pleasure. So you guys, as you can see, I am still using the gorgeous cake stand that Carrie gifted me for Christmas a couple of years ago. My bride decided to ultimately stick with a very simplified cake, and I absolutely love the way that it turned out. Also, for the groom's cake, we just did a small chocolate cake with strawberries on it. It was absolutely delicious, and everybody loved, enjoying both of the cakes for desserts. And so that's one of my Lux for Less tips for you guys, is when you are doing your cakes and your desserts, with your catering, just have someone to add like maybe a nice little decadent design on the plate and serve your cakes for dessert with some ice cream and make it a la mode, and it just really makes it turn out wonderful. Also, I don't know if you guys noticed, but we mixed and matched the linens, and I absolutely love doing this. Mixing and matching textures is one of the things that I enjoy teaching in Lux Academy, and if it's something that you want to learn or something you want to add to your event planning business, definitely check us out at luxacademy.online. I would love to have you as a student and a member of Lux Academy. All you have to do to join us is to go to luxacademy.online. We have in-person classes. We also have online classes as well that you can take at your own pace, and we would love to have you as a student. Now for the centerpieces, we did highs and lows, and my friend Carla created these gorgeous red rose centerpieces for me. And then I also had some smaller ones that I added in that I had done years ago. Of course, we had to add in the floral wall from rosemorning.com. The red floral wall, and you guys, they are having a Black Friday sale that is coming up, so stay tuned for that if you are interested in adding rose walls to your inventory. They do rent out really well, you guys, and you guys, I like using the colors that you can use time and time again. And whenever I chose this red one, I wanted something that I could use over and over again, and I thought about, okay, I can use this for Christmas, I could use this for Valentine's Day, I could use this in the summer, I can use this in the fall. So I definitely knew that this was a must-have for me, so I went along with this, and I paired it with a white one and a green and white one that I use all the time. Also for the head table decor, I added in just a single rose stems and did like just rows of flowers and candles, and I just think it makes it look so elegant. And I also added the beautiful whimsical skirt onto the table around the tablecloth, which just gives it a very elegant and luxurious feel. I will link everything, or just about everything I can find, down in the description box below. So if you guys are looking for it, definitely be sure to check out the description box first. And if it's not listed there, then I couldn't find a link for it. But for those of you guys who attend Lux Academy, you know that I give you an exclusive vendor list about where you can find just about anything that you need for weddings and events. I don't skimp out on anything, so you guys, you know that. Another thing that I love is the way that she personalized her cake and knife set, and I just thought it added so much elegance and sophistication to the room. And mixing the red and rose gold, it was very different. But one of the things that I added were the rose gold wine glasses, you guys. OMG, when I found these at eFavor Mart, I knew that I had to have them for this wedding. They were just absolutely gorgeous, and they made the entire room pop. Now, I could have done, the clear glasses, but I just wanted to do something a little bit different. I wanted to add that element of surprise, and I think those rose gold wine glasses did it for me. I just absolutely love the way that they look. Also, when we framed off and draped the room, I wanted to keep those chandeliers in the center of the room, and I love the way that those looked as well. Now, to raise up my smaller centerpieces, I used the mirror boxes. I got these a while back. They do sometimes come to Hobby Lobby around Christmas time, so definitely keep your eyes and ears open for those. And then we used the, what was really like a scarlet red. So on the scarlet red, we used the rose gold runners to tie in that shimmer, and then we also used the rose gold cutlery, but we were also managed to mix in the gold chairs. We also used the rose gold chargers, and believe it or not, I found those chargers at the Dollar Tree, so I was able to go and secure all of those before it was too late. And as always, I got my gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous napkin rings from totallydazzle.com, and so if they have a Black Friday sale soon, I will let you guys know. But I just wanted to give you guys some details on how I mix and match everything. As you can see, even the centerpieces, I did some florals and I did some floating, and so that's just kind of to give, pull everything together. And I just love the way that it turned out. Just absolutely gorgeous. So you guys let me know down in the comments below what aspect of this design was your favorite. When I look at this space, when I first walked in, I was like, oh my gosh, this is a gigantic space. So one of the things I want to encourage you guys to do, if you walk into a large space and you're tasked with designing it, look at splitting the room up. So for the first room, we used it for the ceremony. The center of the room, we draped off and used that for the reception. And then on the third side, we actually used that for the buffets for the food. And it was very spacious so that people could go through the line and not feel crowded and cluttered and all of that. So definitely keep that in mind as well. So you guys, here is the red and rose gold wedding. I am just elated with the way that it turned out. I would love, love, love to teach you guys and for you to be a part of my online school, luxeacademy.online. When you finish, I promise you, you will have everything you need to exceed and excel as a certified event planner, designer, or decorator. I know the holiday season is coming up, you guys, but this particular color palette will work all year long, but especially beautiful during this time of the year. So I wanted to go ahead and get this video out to share it with you guys. So I hope that you enjoyed it. Thank you so much again for tuning in. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know your favorite aspect of this design. So I'm going to close this one out with a little music for your listening pleasure. Thank you guys again so much for watching. If you haven't already, I would love for you to be a part of the Lux for Less family. All you have to do is click on that subscribe button and you will be in just like that. So I would just love for you guys to be a part. We are now 200,000 strong. I am so super excited about that. So thank you guys again for all of your love and unwavering support. I'm signing off now, and I will see you at the next video. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!